Hi guys, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve login on TikTok app. To know how to fix or how to solve login on TikTok app, you should just go to settings. Here in this page you will enter to apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list you will enter to TikTok and you can click in this page. After that, in this page of app info, you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. After that, we can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors in your app. In the end, you can turn on your airplane mode and you can wait a moment or 3 seconds to turn off your airplane mode again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.